everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. Before I start, I would like you to visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I, along with several other expert writers, post a lot of informative content on different topics. Today's video is going to be about how you can delete or clear the Google search history. We all search a lot of things on Google that we don't want others to know about. So if you want to know how to remove your search history, please keep on watching. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to press the search bar right here on Google, and you will see all your search history that you have recently searched on Google. Now to remove it or to delete it, what you have to do is you have to tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then you have to tap the history button right here. Now here you will see all your search history. Now to clear it, you have to press this option, clear browsing data, and then you have to select the time range. So make sure you have selected all time if you want to remove it completely, and then you have to select all these options right here, your browsing history, your cookies, cached images, saved password and everything, and then you simply have to tap clear data. Again you will get a confirmation message, so you can simply tap clear. So this will completely remove your all Google search history. Alright. Now if you don't want to store your history at first place, you can use the incognito mode for Google. So this way you can stop Google from storing your search history. That's another way, and if you want to remove it, I already showed you the steps. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you have any technical issues or queries for my next video, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.